I am Kanunanda, President, Senior Journalist Association, Odisha. As on date, I am telling you that 18 states across the country are giving journalistic pension scheme all over India. In sadly to say that Odisha government as on date not implemented any pension scheme for the journalist as on date. So the only thing is, many people are asking me why the state government will implement a journalistic pension scheme. Because the journalist is not contributing anything to the government or any contributory amount to getting pension like any retired government servant. In that context, I am to inform you that by exercising Article 42 and 43 Directive Principle of State Policy, each state government are implementing a social welfare scheme for the journalist. So we just appeal to our Odisha government, whenever their other counterparts they are giving pension, why not they will give it? And the other thing is, so there is no legal provision in any side to provide pension. It is not the duty of the state government to provide pension to the journalists. As the press council guideline, media is not a part of government. Media is separate. So only implementing social security scheme, the government can provide pension. And the financial arrangement they are getting from state budgetary side. They also many states they are getting 10 to 15% advertisement commission from the ad payroll department. You have to say that in Kerala, 15% advertisement money is coming to the pension fund of journalists. So there is many corporate houses, they are also providing money for the journalist pension. So this is altogether, this is social security scheme the government can implement definitely for the benefit of the people. Moreover, there is Article 21, live with dignity. So whenever we are retiring, our employer not giving any money to us, any pensioner benefit. Only the EPF pension we are getting it. It is a mere 1250 rupees.
सर जो मैंने वर्किंग जर्नलिस्ट से मैंने गवर्नमेंट तांको किभली रिकॉग्नाइज करिवो
There is a provision of accredited journalist, there is a PIB journalist, PIB affiliated. So it is a process. The government will recognize such persons. Those are having certain experience and they are doing their profession in the last 10 to 15 years. The government will recognize. The government is providing accreditation certificate and accreditation only the recognition. A journalist can go to any government meeting, can use any government premises as a recognized person, the only thing. Sadly to say, since 2006, there is no accreditation committee in Odisha. The government is not taking anywhere for constituting the accreditation committee. So, meanwhile, the accreditation process has been changed.
सर विदाउट एक्रिडेशन जड़े जर्नलिस्ट जे वर्किंग फील्ड रे 20 वर्ष 15 वर्ष 10 वर्ष काम कलानी तो से केमती पेंशन पाइबो
I am just clarifying. There is a 3 to 4 types of journalists. One is accredited, there is non-accredited, one is registered and recognized. There is 4 types of journalists. They are working and they are getting pension. So in Odisha, those are accredited. They are already been identified. Those are recognized and registered. Registered journalist means those are contributing pensionary benefit to the government. There is many states in Tripura. There is a recognized journalist. They are contributing money to pension fund. In our Odisha, there is no accreditation committee. Since from 2006, there is no accreditation committee. There is no new member of accreditation. The one thing I can express, we have been recognized by their Gopibandhu Swasthya Bima. They have recognized us. Whenever they have recognized us, they are paying premium for us. On the other hand, we are already been recognized by the state government. We are working as a journalist in state.
Okay, thank you.